Okay. All right, let's see here. Let's see this one. Yeah, that one's soft. Let's pick that one. Oh, maybe I waited too long on that one. This is where we got our peaches, and even though it's doing kind of poor because it's I think it's the copper deficiency. I just picked this one. It smells great. Anyways, they're doing, the fruit is doing okay. The leaves are very sad. There's like 4 more on this one, and I think it's doing really well because these are second-year branches, so they fruited really well. And over here, this one is huge. Right, and I did prune it at the end of the year, and it doesn't have as much of the copper problem as the other one, but I think that these are all newer branches, so they didn't make very many fruit. I only got like maybe 2 or 3 off of here, which is kind of sad, but yeah, I think it's because these were all newer branches, so next year we'll probably get a lot more, and I'll have to cut them, just to cut this a little bit shorter so it doesn't get too big. It's gonna get kind of crazy. My sunflowers, of course, they not doing so well right now, but anyways, let's see here. Yep, that one feels soft too. And all right, look at that. Nice. Pretty good. All right. Let's see. Is there any more? Do you see any more, dude? I don't see any more.
It's hiding.
They're hiding?
Yeah. Because peaches will hide from you.
Oh, they will?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Do they like choose to hide? Ew, look at that. Calling me a stink bugs on the corner of my fence. Backyard wildlife. Oh boy. Yeah. Get close. Heebie-jeebies, everybody. All right, guys. These are all of the the peaches that we got. Some of them didn't make it into the bowl because they're just so good, and we just wanted to eat them. And when I was waiting to make this video, I had them in the fridge for like a day or two here just in the past. People are just snatching them up, eating them. So we had about maybe 5 more, but yeah, they're pretty good. We're gonna try them out. Here's the peaches that we're gonna try out. We have 2 different kinds of peaches. I don't know what they were because when we moved in, they were already planted and we lost the tags that were on there. But we'll figure it out, I guess. I don't know. Okay, the first one is this lighter colored one. I don't even know what it's called. But it's lighter compared to this one. Anyways, so we'll try this one. This one looks lighter. This is like the traditional peaches that you get in the stores. At least that's what it looks like. This one, yeah, I don't know. Let's try it out. We're gonna cut it open and we're gonna taste it and see if it's any good. There we go. Oh, seems to have a lighter flesh in here. Might be a little overripe. Oh yeah, right there, a little overripe. But you know, they were on the tree for a while. Some of them they were questionable. All right, here we go. I'm gonna taste it. Oh, wow. That's really good. Wow. Anyways, that was like the classic peach flavor. It wasn't really sharp, but it was the classic peach flavor. It was delicious. I'm so glad that we have these trees in our backyard. It's awesome. Okay, let's get these out of the way here. And the next one is this one. This is basically the classic it looks like the classic peaches you get like in stores and stuff. So I don't know. Let's check it out. See if this tastes any good. Okay. Oh yeah, see now that looks like what you get in the stores and the farmers markets. Everything like that. Look how juicy that is. Dang, that's awesome. Let's try this one. See if the flavors are like, if it's like really, really different or just a little bit. Let's check it out. How do I look? Do I look okay? Look fine? Here it goes. Mmm, yummy. You know what? That's not as peachy as the white one. Or the other one.
Yeah, maybe
This one tastes better. This one tastes more like a peach than this, even though this looks more like the peaches that we usually get.
Maybe it costs better.
You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to clean these off.
I hope it didn't.
And we just picked them and we put them in here, and then I forgot to rinse them off, so I'm probably eating like dust and bugs and like spider webs and stuff.
Oh.
So this is the one that looks like the store. It looks basically like we get at the store, and it's like, I don't know, it has the same coloring, the reddish, pinkish kind of yellow, and it looks the same on the inside and everything like that. It's really juicy. It's good. But this one is like a completely almost white yellowish skin. There's hardly any red or pink in it. And this tastes a heck of a lot better than that one, which I was very surprised that it did. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get me another one. You want another one? You want a little bit of this, man?
No.
Man, you guys are crazy. This is good stuff. Anyways. Okay. So those are the peaches that we have in our backyard. I can't wait till next year whenever I spray the copper spray on there to make them healthy again. And then also, I'm going to prune them better. At least the one on the right, it's really tall. You're supposed to have them at about 10 feet high. You're supposed to chop the top off and then prune them really well. I'm really happy with the way that I pruned them last year, but this year is going to be even better, I think. And so next year it will we'll have a lot more to harvest, and we'll have a lot of wonderful peach pies, peach cobbler pies, or whatever my wife can make with them. It's going to be awesome, jam or whatever, or maybe we'll make them. Okay, here we go. We're going to make some peach salsa. It's going to be pretty delicious. And we're going to go ahead and cut these peaches up. Oh, look at that knife. Nice and sharp. Anyways, so we're just going to cut the peaches in half, pop out the pit, and chop up these things here, just like that. Looking good. Those are some pretty sweet peaches. And these are yellow jalapenos that we got out of the garden that we're gonna put into this wonderful peach salsa. But I think I would have probably perhaps put another jalapeno in, just to give it a little bit more heat, because it has a good twang, but it doesn't have enough for my liking, I guess. Look at this beautiful tomato. Cut that baby in half, like so. And now, bling, look at that. We're gonna dice it up, even smaller. Dice, dice, dice. Now, the ingredients. Jalapenos, salt, lime juice, about 2 tablespoons, and some cilantro, some onions, more cilantro. I showed cilantro twice, that's weird. Tomatoes, and of course the peaches. And here is the mixing. If you don't know how to mix something with your hands, then I can't tell you what to do because it's pretty freaking simple. And here's the end product. Da-da-da. Look at that beautiful stuff. It's very good. It's sweet. It has a little kick of heat, but this is what happens when you don't keep your jars warm when you're canning. We accidentally let the jar get a little bit too cool, and we put it in the really hot water, and it just broke. And so we had some wonderful peach salsa soup later. And so now it's been a few minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out. Da-da-da. It's all canned and ready to go. Look at my goofy son being silly. Carry it over here and plop it down, and now it's ready to go. Look at that. That is really good. That's how we kind of can it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see everybody later. Adios. Bye.